Hello, everyone. Welcome to your English Learning Podcast. In this episode, we will learn 100 very useful English sentences for daily life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking clearly. Let's begin. Part 1, Greetings and Introductions. 1. Hi, how are you? 2. I'm fine, thank you. 3. What's your name? 4. My name is Emma. 5. Nice to meet you. 6. Where are you from? 7. I'm from Canada. 8. How old are you? 9. I'm 25 years old. 10. What do you do? 11. I'm a student. 12. I'm an English teacher. 13. What time is it? 14. It's 10 o'clock. 15. Can you help me, please? 16. Of course. 17. Thank you so much. 18. You're welcome. 19. I don't understand. 20. Could you repeat that, please? Part 2. Everyday Conversations. 21. Where do you live? 22. I live in Toronto. 23. What's your favorite food? 24. I love pizza. 25. What do you like to do? 26. I like reading books. 27. What's your favorite color? 28. My favorite color is blue. 29. Are you busy? 30. A little bit. 31. What are you doing? 32. I'm watching TV. 33. I'm cooking dinner. 34. Let's go out. 35. That's a great idea. 36. What's wrong? 37. I'm tired. 38. Don't worry. 39. Take your time. 40. See you later. Part 3. Shopping and Travel. 41. Where are you going? 42. I'm going to the store. 43. How much is this? 44. It's $10. 45. Can I try it on? 46. Sure. The fitting room is over there. 47. Do you take credit cards? 48. Yes, we do. 49. That's too expensive. 50. Can you give me a discount? 51. I'm just looking. Thank you. 52. I'll take this one. 53. What time does the bus leave? 54. It leaves at 6 p.m. 55. Where is the train station? 56. It's near the bank. 57. How long does it take? 58. About 20 minutes. 59. Enjoy your trip. 60. Have a safe journey. Comma. Part 4. Food, feelings, and daily routines. 61. I'm hungry. 62. Let's eat something. 63. What do you want to eat? 64. I'd like some chicken, please. 65. Can I see the menu? 66. What do you recommend? 67. I'll have a coffee, please. 68. Could I get some water? 69. The food is delicious. 70. I'm full. 71. Can I have the bill, please? 72. Keep the change. 73. What time do you wake up? 74. I wake up at 7. 75. I go to work at 9. 76. I'm studying English every day. 77. I feel happy today. 78. I'm a little sad. 79. I'm so tired. 80. I need some rest. Part 5. Friendship, phone, and daily life. 81. How was your day? 82. It was great. 83. What are you up to? 84. Nothing much, just relaxing. 85. Do you want to hang out? 86. Sure, that sounds fun. 87. Call me later. 88. I'll text you. 89. Can you hear me? 90. Yes, loud and clear. 91. I miss you. 92. Take care of yourself. 93. Don't be late. 94. I'll be there soon. 95. Let's keep in touch. 96. I have to go now. 97. Talk to you later. 98. Have a nice day. 99. Good night. 100. See you tomorrow. Great work. You have learned 100 useful English sentences for everyday life. Keep listening, repeating, and using them in real conversations. The more you practice, the more natural you will sound. Thank you for listening to this English learning podcast. See you next time.